Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you all in this tutorial. Today in this lecture, in this tutorial, we are going to learn that how can we upload the file or images or screenshot to the individual students in our Google Classroom accounts. So for that, first of all, we have to open our Google Classroom app, or you can also use the Google Classroom your Google account as well. So for convenience, it's better to use Classroom app. So I'm going to click on this app. After clicking, you can see the classroom which you have created. So I'm going to share the file in the demo class with the demo class students. After that, you're going to open your particular file which you're going to share. So I already have the file in Chrome, so I will open the file in the downloads, from the downloads in the Google Chrome. So downloads. So this is the file which I'm going to assign to the students. So make sure that the file has been properly opened. Okay, this is the file. So first of all, you are going to take the screenshot of the result cards which you are going to share with the students. In our case, we have to take the screenshot of each student for each student, so that the result card may be shared with every student. Okay, so you will take all the screenshot of the for each student, and after that you will share the file with the students. So I have taken 3 screenshot, so I'm going to share the screenshot with the students. So again we come in the demo class, and after that we will click on share with your class, and after clicking it, you will type the topic which will be pre-board. In our case, pre-board result. You can type any topic accordingly, and after that you will click on attach button at the top. Okay, the third option from the right. Okay, and after that you will click on upload photo. Okay, it will automatically redirect you to the recent tab. So you are going to click on this. If you are not in the recent, you might be in your phone memory, fast forward like this. Okay, but you will not open it from the phone memory, you will open from the recent. So here are the recent images which I have captured. Okay, these are the 4 to 5 recent images. So I'm going to share the result with the students of the recent. Okay, fast forward, this is the student for which I am going to share the file. Do remember the name of the student for which you are going to share the file. It's better to preview the file by clicking on that. Okay, you can see the Abdul Rahman Noman, it's the name of the student. So I'm going to select the Abdul Rahman Noman from the above options. All the students, you will click on all the students, and you will search for the Abdul Rahman Noman. Unfortunately, Abdul Rahman Noman has not joined this class, so I cannot share this file with Abdul Rahman Noman. So for your convenience purpose, I am going to share it with the one student, so that you may know that how to share the file. So done. After that you will click on, okay, there are 2 ways to share the files. You can share at the same time. Okay, in our previous video, we have assigned the file to the individual students, or to the whole class. So you can share the file to the individual student at the same time, like tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Okay, in our case, but it's better to share the file as a schedule option. By using the schedule option, in the schedule option, you can share the file with the individual students right now as well, so that you don't have to upload the file at 9 o'clock tomorrow. Okay, it will be difficult to upload 30 to 40 files at the same time at 9 o'clock. It will take around about half an hour for you. So it's better that you will schedule the result today, and okay, the schedule, and you will click on the time like this, and you will add the particular time. So I have added 9 o'clock. Okay, 9 o'clock, and then click on OK. Okay, you can move the move this needle, okay, according to your time, specific time. So you will click on this 9 o'clock. Okay, you can say schedule for Saturday, May 8th, 9 a.m. So one student has been selected for which we are going to schedule the assignments. So schedule it. Okay, it will take approximately 2 to 5 seconds to schedule the file. Okay, the file has been scheduled. So I am going to repeat the process for your convenience. So you will click on share with the students, and you will type the topic of the file in the caption of the file: pre-board result, and after that you will select for the image from the your phone storage. So I'm going to share different image this time with different name. Okay, fast forward, this is the image that I'm going to share. Okay, you can view the image. Okay, this is the file which I'm going to share with the Alauddin. The name is written Alauddin at the top, so I have to share this file with the Alauddin. Unfortunately, I don't have Alauddin in my class list, so I will share this file with the other student named as Azim. Okay, you will uncheck the remaining student, and you will when you are going to share the file, you will have the default option which all the students will be checked. So you are going to uncheck all. First of all, you will uncheck all, okay, by clicking on all students. The all student will be unchecked. Then you will check the specific student for which you are going to share the file. For suppose Azim Anju, I have checked this file, checked this student, and I will click on done. Okay, demo, and then you will click on schedule by clicking on the three dots at the right corner, top right corner. You will choose schedule, and you will the time will automatically be set at 9 a.m. Saturday, May 8th. Okay, make sure to check the time and the day and the date as well. Okay, 9 a.m. Saturday, May 8th, and after that you will click on schedule button. Okay, now the result cards have been scheduled to the two students. Okay, two students in view the result card. The students will be able to view the result card at 9 a.m. tomorrow, Saturday, 8th May. Okay, so you will schedule the result cards according to your class strength. It's better that you schedule the result card now, or in the evening, or at the night. Okay, before 12 o'clock. Okay, before 12 o'clock, it approximately need 1 day to schedule the assignment. Okay, you can schedule the assignment 1 day before, at least 1 day before. Okay, minimum 8 approximately 12 hours before. Okay, 9 आपने रात 9 बजे से पहले सारी रिजल्ट कार्ड को schedule कर देना है, क्योंकि इसके schedule करने के लिए minimum टाइम 12 आवर्स रिक्वायर्ड होता है. उससे कम टाइम में आप schedule नहीं कर सकते. सो आई होप कि आप लोग सब समझ गए होंगे. It's very easy to schedule the result card, or you can schedule any PDF file or Word file by doing the same process, by using the same process. So stay happy, stay blessed, and keep